Namaskar viewers, good morning to everybody. Today we will start a new topics, that is comparing quantities. Before starting this chapter, first we will pray God and we will get the blessings so that we will prosper in our life and the complete whole world will be in peace. When you get up early in the morning, you should pray the Almighty like this. You do your hands like this manner and see the palm and tell the shloka. Karagre vasati lakshmi karamadhye saraswati karamule tu govinda karatu prabhati darshanam. कराग्रे वसति लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमणे तु गोविंद करतु प्रभाति दर्शनम. कराग्रे वसति लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमणे तु गोविंद करतु प्रभाति दर्शनम. Yes, now we'll start a new topic, that is comparing quantities. Comparing means you want to compare some things. Suppose I am showing you here, you want to compare this color chalk and the white chalk. So when you are going to compare in this case, suppose in this example, one is white chalk, number of white chalk is equal to 1. Then numbers of colored chalk. In this example, color chalk 3. So you want to compare the white chalk to colored chalk. Suppose you are comparing white chalk is to colored chalk. Then white chalk is 1, so you write here 1. And this is the comparison ratio symbol 3. So it is read as 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. So this ratio is, this is the symbol of ratio, or you read as is 2. So you understand this is the symbol, and it has the high significance, and it is read as 1 is to 3. So this is about the comparison of quantities. Similarly, suppose you want to compare the length and breadth of this figure, of this project. So suppose I am measuring, this is the ruler, and measuring the length of this figure. Let this length is 11 centimeter. You see here, this length is 11 centimeter. So I am writing here length is equal to 11 centimeter. Similarly, the breadth, you see here the breadth is 7.5. Breadth is 7.5 cm. Now you want to find out the ratio of this object or project, that is length by breadth. Length by breadth. So it is 11 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter. You see here in this example, the both units are same. So you can just rationalize this value. Suppose centimeter you cut out now. Only the problem is here decimal point. So you have to remove this decimal point so that we will get a ratio. You know how to remove the decimal point, because when there is a number after one decimal point, then you have to multiply this number by 10. But when you are multiplied by 10 only to this denominator, then the value is not same. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number so that the two number will be same. So when I am multiplying this by 10, it is 110 and this is 75, because this will only remove this decimal point and this decimal point will shift to right side one places. Already you know that. Now it is 110 by 75. Now you want to rationalize or simplify. Rationalize or simplify. So you see, if this number is just divided by 5, so 5 to the 10, then again 5 to the 10. Again this is 5 on the 5, then carry to 25, 5 to the 25. Now again this number is not divisible by any numbers. So this is in lowest term. So this can be written as 12 by 15 or 22, this is 22, 22 is to 15, 22 is 15. So this is the ratio, or this is the comparison of length and breadth. That is, our topic was comparing quantity. So you are comparing the quantity. This is one method. Suppose I am taking another examples. This is example 2. This is example 1. Example 1. Now this is example 2. Suppose the distance from school to town is 5 kilometers. Distance is school to town is 5 kilometers. But school to New Delhi is suppose 4,000 kilometers. Okay, so you want to find out the ratio of the two distance, that is 5 kilometers by 4,000 kilometers. So here again this unit is same, so it is cancelled out. Now if you divide this by 5, then this is 1, here it will be 800. So 1 by 800, or that is 1 is to 800. So this is the ratio. Suppose when you are comparing the two values, suppose two students secured different marks and you want to compare. Suppose Anil got 300 marks out of 500. Similarly, Ramesh got 400 out of 500 marks. You want to compare the value or the performance of Anil and Ramesh. So how to calculate? Suppose now you see here this value is same. Okay, suppose Anil marks you want to convert into percentage. So when you are dividing this 300 by 500, suppose you compare this 3 by 5, and now this value 3 by 5 you want to convert to percentage. You want to convert into percentage. So this is the other way. Suppose when you are converting percentage, then at that time you are finding out of 100. So you multiply both the numbers by 100, so that there will be no difference. Just like this. If you are multiplying 10 here, you have to multiply this number by 10. So here, you see here, one thing, this 100 symbol, this 100 is giving your percentage symbol. That is in denominator, not in numerator. Now, this value is 300 by 5. Suppose you want to simplify this, then 5 6 are 30, 0 to 60%. So Anil got 60%. Now you want to calculate the percentage of Ramesh. Ramesh percentage is 400 by 500. So in this case I had cancelled out. Here I have cancelled out. Suppose the other ways, because in mathematics there are different ways. So you should know the different alternative processes, so that which will be easier to you, you will calculate and you will get good marks in your examinations. Suppose this thing I am converting into 100, because this 500 can be written as 5 into 100. In earlier here I had discussed that this denominator 100 is giving your percentage. So that is, you can write here 400 by 5 percentage. Now again when you will cancel out, then 4 8 are 5 8 are 40, 0, then 80%. Now here you see this equation 1 and this is equation 2. That is, Anil performance is 60% and Ramesh performance is 80%. So now you can calculate whose performance is better. So you can say whose performance is better? Ramesh performance is better. Ramesh performance is better than Anil. So this is about your percentage. Okay.